Xunling GIS locate Dacheng Environmental Industrial Park Shaanxi, China, which is the largest lab equipment researching, developing and manufacturing base in China. Our goal is to provide one-stop lab furniture and lab general equipment solution. We have invested to establish up 80,000 square meters factory with 6 manufacturing centers. We currently has 18 set CNC laser cutting machines, 50 sets CNC engraving machines, 40 sets welding robots, and other processing equipment to ensure product quality and lead time. Our company's OEM products are mainly used in schools, drug development, scientific research, hospitals, chemical experiments, and many other industries. We design and produce the most reliable, safest and efficient lab fume hoods, ductless cabinets, custom-made enclosures, biological safety cabinets, laboratory centrifuge, biochemistry incubator, laboratory homogenizer, and more equipment for lab industry. We provide 5 years warranty. Our products have been exported to USA, Germany, Italy, Spain, Netherlands, Thailand, Philippines, Indonesia, Vietnam, Malaysia, Singapore, Republic of Korea, New Zealand, and Australia. For end users, we provide customization and door-to-door shipping for distributors. We provide lifelong maintenance and free technical supporting. Let us work together to make the lab world cleaner, safer, and healthier.